If you work out after a Brazilian wax, your skin suffers. Redness, bumps, and ingrowns often appear overnight. It's frustrating, right? The reason lies in habits we all have. Stay tuned as I reveal a simple, effective routine. Welcome to MTH Health, where wellness meets real life. Here, we focus on simple solutions backed by science. After a workout, blood flow increases, and pores open. This makes waxed skin incredibly sensitive. Sweat and tight gym clothes trap heat, leading to irritation. This irritation often leads to ingrown hairs. What many don't realize is the hidden science. Hormonal shifts cause increased circulation, which slows skin recovery. This can worsen irritation and discomfort. To relieve your skin immediately, apply a clean cold compress. Just 5 to 10 minutes of cooling can significantly reduce redness and swelling. Soothing ingredients are your best friends in this situation. Aloe vera, chamomile, and hyaluronic acid calm skin swiftly. Remember to apply these gently to avoid further irritation. After a wax, avoid fragrances, alcohol, scrubs, and heavy oils. Using these can aggravate sensitive skin. When it comes to ingrown prevention, timing is key. Wait 48 to 72 hours before any gentle exfoliation. Harsh scrubs during this time can exacerbate ingrown hairs. To manage irritation, use targeted treatments like salicylic acid and witch hazel. These keep hair follicles clear and reduce pain. Don't forget about your clothing choices. Opt for breathable fabrics and steer clear of tight clothing for at least 24 hours post-waxing. Daily hydration is essential. Moisturizing regularly keeps your skin strong and smooth, making it more resilient. Think about barrier repair. Incorporating ceramides and niacinamide helps strengthen your skin's natural barrier. Before a workout, prepare your skin properly. Shower beforehand and wear loose clothing to protect freshly waxed areas. Take a 5-minute post-wax chill. Cooling and soothing your skin lets it breathe. This simple routine helps prevent irritation. Customize your skincare. Use products matched to your skin type. Choose gels for oily skin, fragrance-free for sensitivity, and lightweight lotions for dry skin. Waxing and workouts can coexist. Follow the right routine, stay confident, and take care of your skin. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to MTH Health. Also, share your biggest post-wax challenge in the comments.